Welcome all. Namaskar दोस्तों. I am Aditya Pandey from 5paisa Capital, and I welcome you all in a very exciting session of Ask Me Anything with 5paisa. आज का सेशन बहुत खास है क्योंकि हम बात करने वाले हैं उन सवालों पर जो हर ट्रेडर और इन्वेस्टर के मन में होते हैं, बिना किसी फिल्टर के सीधे जवाब और सीधा संवाद. फ्रेंड्स, आज का सेशन कुछ खास होने वाला है क्योंकि हम बात करने वाले हैं उन सवालों पर जो इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स के मन में होते हैं. मार्केट में प्रॉफिटेबल कैसे हों, ज़्यादातर लोग पैसा क्यों गंवाते हैं और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सोल्यूशन क्या है. आज हमारे साथ हैं एक स्पेशल गेस्ट मिस्टर लक्षित माहेश्वरी. ही इज हेड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इन्वेस्टर एआई और इनका बनाया हुआ प्रोडक्ट इंट्रा एज अब एक्सक्लूसिवली अवेलेबल है 5paisa के यूजर्स के लिए. लक्षित का प्रोफेशनल बैकग्राउंड काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव है. इंस्टीट्यूशनल ट्रेडिंग का स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्सपीरियंस है. ही इज़ फ्रॉम IIM उदयपुर एंड वाज टॉप 5% ऑफ द बैच. मतलब थ्योरी और रियल मार्केट दोनों का ब्लेंड इनके पास है. आज के मार्केट सिनेरियो की बात करें तो इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में रिटेल पार्टिसिपेशन काफ़ी बढ़ गया है लक्षित, इफ़ यू एग्री विथ मी. पर साथ ही लॉसेस भी न्यूज़ में हमेशा बने रहते हैं. सेबी की बार बार वार्निंग्स आती रहती हैं कि X% लोग डेरिवेटिव या इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में पैसे खो रहे हैं. तो ऐसे टाइम पे एक गाइडेड एल्गोरिथम बैक्ड अप्रोच की ज़रूरत है जहां डेटा एनालिसिस और एग्जीक्यूशन सब कुछ स्ट्रीमलाइन. इंट्रा एज इसी नीड को एड्रेस करता है और आज लक्षित हमसे बात करेंगे इसी प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स, विजन और इम्पैक्ट के बारे में. सो वेलकम लक्षित टू दिस आस्क मी एनीथिंग विद 5paisa.
Thank you.
Can you help us understand the figures on the losses incurred by the people in stock market? So the background of this question is Lakshit that SEBI के recent reports में ये बताया जा रहा है कि कुछ परसेंटेज से ज़्यादा ट्रेडर्स FNO या इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में पैसा खो देते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ फिगर्स से पिक्चर क्लियर नहीं होती. लॉस कैसे होता है, ओवर ट्रेडिंग या स्टॉप लॉस या लैक ऑफ सिस्टम, ये समझना ज़रूरी है. तो लक्षित, वी वांट टू आस्क यू दैट व्हाट इज़ द रियल ग्राउंड रियलिटी, और क्या वो भी अपने इंस्टीट्यूशनल ट्रेडिंग डेज में ये पैटर्न देखते थे?
Okay. Thank you, Aditya, for inviting me. Okay, let's talk about what is happening in trading and what is the scenario in India and why are traders majority of traders losing money and what can we do to provide a solution for this particular problem. So after COVID, if you see, since last 4 years there have been exponential increase in number of traders. There has been single-sided bull market till 2024 September, and that has actually created and encouraged a lot of people to come into trading. Okay, so according to SEBI report, from analysis based on FY22 to FY24, 93% of the traders lose money. Now that's a very very big significant amount. If you in terms of numbers, if you talk about every 100 people who are trading, only 7 of them are making money, and that's absolutely not sufficient, right? Whenever someone comes to trading, their expectation is they want to make money out of it, correct? And if you talk about only FY24, then 91.1% people who are trading actually lost money, and moreover this average losses are of the tune of 1.2 lakhs per person. So that's a really high amount. That's a very high amount in terms of that this kind of money is hard-earned money. So and SEBI very appropriately came back and they are trying to do something about it to create a discipline in market regarding it. You'll see risk disclosure coming whenever we go into trading or buying, investing, anything. You'll see a risk disclosure that is coming in front of your screen that says 93% of the traders are losing money. So yeah, that definitely something to that's a very big problem. Also combined with that, one major issue is that 43% of the people who are actually involved in active trading are lesser than 30 years of age. and that is the age when you start your career, or when you start earning money. You don't have that kind of money to hold patience, and keep your targets very very focused, and you can do long term. So it's very important for you to uh, be very disciplined about it.
True.
So definitely, the kind of reports, the numbers we talked about, and what SEBI is doing definitely shows that it's a very very big problem. Now, why is this a problem? What exactly goes into psyche of traders, or what exactly we as retail are doing wrong? Now, intraday trading or trading in general, it's a very tricky thing. Intra Making money from trading, based on numbers, we know that it's a statistically inclined game where chances of making money are lesser already. So you need to be very disciplined, and you need to be very sharp in terms of your thinking. Okay, so let's first see what are the reasons that uh, traders tend to lose money. Okay, so let's say I have some time, and I sit in front of screen entire day. So when I sit in front of screen, even though let's say I have made four trades in let's say 2 hours, which made money. But see, if I am in front of the screen, I am prone to over trading. Okay, I'll I'll hit some of the other button, I'll think about some of the other stock which can go up, go down. So definitely, over trading is one of the very, very, very key reasons that uh, traders lose money. Second is that you don't have a proper framework in your mind when you do trading. So key thing to understand is what to expect out of your a trade. Let's say I tell you that buy XYZ stock, okay, but I only gave you the tip. That you have to buy XYZ stock, but you don't know how much to buy. You don't know till what time I have to hold. You don't know what is the stop loss I should keep. Okay, so without knowing, you are entering into entering into an ocean where you don't know anything, but you are just entering. You are just jumping into the ocean. So knowing things beforehand in your mindset is very important. So this is one of the reasons. Another reason is your psychological bias, that a thing that is keeping on going up, that will go up. That the thing that is uh, if something is giving me losses, then instead of cutting my losses on time, I think losses might recover. So that hope, that human emotion of hope comes into picture, where you tend to hold that trade instead of the fact that you are losing. So there are some human emotions, psyche, and lack of framework, or over trading. These are the factors that contribute to major losses of for retailers.
So fear and greed basically dominates for in terms of emotional traders who are losing money. You are trying to say.
Yes, fear and greed, yes, a part of it, but lack of before entering the trade, lack of a framework or understanding that what we are doing
Okay.
is equally important.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect. So basically, लक्षित ये क्वेश्चन उन सब लोगों के लिए है जो सोचते हैं कि मैं ही क्यों हर बार गलत ट्रेड ले लेता हूँ. So I think your elaborative answer, your elaborative talk answers this particular question कि ये lack of knowledge है, डिसिप्लिन का इशू है, टूल्स नहीं होने का प्रॉब्लम है. सो बिहेवियरल इशू भी हो सकता है. फियर एंड ग्रीड की बात आपने कही. सो लक्षित, बेसिकली आई जस्ट वांट टू कम ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन दैट ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल उठता है जब इन सब क्वेश्चंस के बाद की प्रॉब्लम तो सबको दिख रही है, पर सोल्यूशन क्या है. सो इसका जवाब सिर्फ संभल के ट्रेड करो, ये तो हम ट्रेडर को नहीं बोल सकते ना. क्या एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड AI ड्रिवन टेस्टेड बास्केट अप्रोच कुछ है ऑफरिंग के लिए? वो एक अवेलेबल सोल्यूशन हो सकता है. इट कैन बी वन ऑफ द सोल्यूशंस. और इसी तरह से वो लोग जब तक इमोशनल या इम्पल्सिव ट्रेड करते हैं, वो इस अप्रोच या डिसिप्लिन में बन के रह सकते हैं क्या? तो माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट इज एक्चुअली द सोल्यूशन टू दिस? हाउ कैन यूजर्स अवॉइड मेकिंग लॉसेस?
So first and foremost is, as we talked about, when we enter a trade, that there is a lack of framework about,
Yes.
framework is your understanding of the trade, that what I'm gonna buy, how much I'm gonna buy, at what stop loss I should exit the trade, at what profit target I should book my profits, how should I buy? Should I buy one stock? Should I buy more stocks? And how much time should I spend in a trade?
Hmm.
Okay. And what is the amount of money that I'm willing to lose or see as unrealized losses on my screen? So these things, traders have to ask these things to themselves, and definitely there needs to be a framework before you start trading, before you are ready for intraday trading. So intra edge, let's talk about intra edge. You said that, what about a solution? So intra edge is an intraday trading solution that actually helps you to tell you that, what all stocks to go long on, what all stocks to go short on. So you don't need to worry about, from where you want to go and what to buy, what not to buy. You don't have to worry about it. So IntraEdge is basically a machine learning driven investment trading platform that helps you uh, with stock recommendations that you can either buy or sell based on what that machine learning model is telling you. Also, uh, this IntraEdge comes with a framework. So what IntraEdge has done is, what we have done, we have encapsulated intraday trading in number of stocks. So you don't trade on a single stock. We have created a basket out of it. So what you'll get is daily at 9:30 a.m. you'll get a long basket and a short basket. Long basket will have 3 to 4 stocks that you can, on a single click, just on an application, you can buy those 4 stocks. And similarly, we have a short basket, which again will have 3 to 4 stocks, which which have a chance of going down throughout the day. Okay. So here what you see is that you don't, and there is also a very, framework attached to it, that our machine learning model itself has suggested that when we work under these conditions, we tend to get the best results out of trading. So by default there is a stop loss of 1%, and by default there is a profit target of 2%. Okay, so that's what we recommend. That so here what IntraEdge offers you is a framework. So you come on IntraEdge, you see a long basket, you see a short basket. Long basket will have 3 4 stocks, short basket will also have 3 4 stocks. Long basket, the stocks that you can buy, short basket is the basket that stocks you can sell. And then you can, and these, basket concept, what it helps is, it helps in diversification. So if you put all your money in one stock, you if you go wrong in a higher magnitude, you make higher losses. So better to be in a basket uh, for diversification than to put all your money in one stock. With this, you not only get the stocks to buy and sell in a basket format, but also the recommended stop loss level and profit target level. So once you use this IntraEdge solution, once you go through that application journey, that application itself will help you to put those stop loss and profit target orders. So you don't need to, separately think about a framework or go and separately put orders. You have what you want to buy, you have what you want to sell. You go ahead, and application places its orders, and now you can just sit and monitor your positions. Okay. So the how the concept is, at 9:30 a.m. we release first set of recommendations, and those recommendations keeps on refreshing till 11:30 a.m. So there could be a case, right? I recommended one stock at 9:30 a.m., but eventually it hit profit target in half an hour. Okay. Now, if that stock already has hit profit target, then there is no longer a need for that stock. I cannot recommend that again for trading. So one more good thing about this is that on a live basis, on in the live market, your 3 to 4 stock basket is getting refreshed. Okay, so you will keep on getting new, refresh stock recommendations till 11:30 a.m. Based on changes in market conditions. If your stock's hitting profit target, then there will be next recommendation that will be offered by our system, and you can eventually, uh, if users come at 10:30, uh, they will see maybe one or two stock different set of recommendation based on market condition. So till 11:30 a.m. you can buy. Then uh, there is very clean and easy monitoring. So what is that? You have what you already have, that what you bought. Okay, you have the risk management framework in terms of profit target and stop loss level that you have already placed with application. Then you can monitor. Okay, and whenever stop loss level or profit target is hitting, your stops will be squared off automatically. And let's say you want to carry the stock till 3 p.m. in intraday, so you can do that as well. You can hold that stock till 3 p.m. and you can square off basket with just one click.
Got it.
So it's pretty, what pain points it as we talk about Aditya ji, that what pain points we talked about, how it solves is that first, it totally removes the human emotion out of stock picking. See, humans are very limited to
Absolutely. Absolutely.
yes, humans are very limited to they can only track 10 or 15 stocks, or limited set of history they can remember, or they have
There are
psychological
a
bias.
lot of effort goes into the research, filtering out the stocks. There are a lot of that lots of effort goes for a trader or investor into this.
Exactly. So that effort, that kind of to maintain that kind of memory, and then trading based on very restricted set of stocks, that itself makes you, makes market bias against you. You are to lose, because you have very less tools. Your universe of thinking, or your memory is restricted, and you tend to, if you go long on, let's say, Nifty, you keep on going long on Nifty. You can't think otherwise. You
True.
can't think other way that I can short Nifty as well. But machine does not have those limitations. So we have trained this particular machine learning model on F&O universe, which is almost 220 stocks. Okay, so you have universe of 220 stock, and uh, we are on technical basis, we are looking at 1 minute candles, uh, and almost 1,000 features, how the technicals are changing in real time to produce these recommendations. So this is exponential system for you as a trading strategy. And then there is a framework around it that helps you to really not think about it, just go ahead and uh, buy the, like, go through the system, and then you can square it off in one click. So it's clearly, and one more important thing is that you can change the stop loss level, you can change the profit target level, you can choose how much money you want to invest. So obviously, every trader would have a different preference of how much they want to trade, what should be their stop loss level. So that is absolutely, in the hands of trader. They are free to modify it. It's totally a, it's kind of a do it yourself kind of a platform as well. So it
Got
really
it.
solves that, emotion problem, the framework problem, and the availability of long and short recommendation problem, what to do about them.
Got
So
it, got it, got it, Lakshit. So, Lakshit, you elaborately explained the concept of IntraEdge. Uh, the product seems to be very fantastic, and अगला क्वेश्चन इसी से रिलेटेड था कि बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो सुन लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं, नए टाइप्स के प्रोडक्ट आ गए मार्केट में, पर जब बात उसको यूज करने की आती है, तो क्या वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है या कुछ हिडन चार्जेस अप्लाई होते हैं उसके अंदर? अ, यहाँ पे लक्षित, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि अगर कोई यूजर इंट्राएज को ट्राई करना चाहता है, तो एग्जैक्टली कहाँ जाए, क्या स्टेप्स हैं और क्या प्राइसिंग है, ताकि वो भी कोई कंफ्यूजन ना रहे. So basic the question is that basically the question is that where one can find IntraEdge and what are the costs involved in it?
okay, so it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Okay, I'll just share my screen. So what one needs to do is go to 5paisa website, and then uh, go to equity. If you see here equity and this details part of it, go to equity details part of it, then you click on ideas. on the tab that you can see on top of the screen, book, positions, portfolio and ideas, you click on ideas. Okay, and under ideas you'll find intra edge. Here is your solution to intraday trading. Your AI powered framework that is smart enough for your intraday journey end to end, that will help you navigate the difficulties that traders face while doing intraday trading. So also let's look at, we'll go through the homepage as well. So once you click on Intra Edge and explore more, so this is what you will see as a home page, and then you can go ahead and you can look at buy baskets, you can look at sell recommendations, and there is also free trial available for 30 days. So please I'll encourage you, go ahead and use that trial, and you can go in this app. And apart from that, if you talk about subscription, after the free trial expires in 30 days, we have multiple subscription plans. Okay, we have 2 weeks plan that is at 590 inclusive of GST. We also have daily plan where one basket will cost you just 59 rupees inclusive of GST, and we have 1 month and 3 month plan as well. If you take 1 month plan, you get 5% discount, and if you take 3 months plan, you get 10% discount. So yeah, here is the solution for all the pain points that we talked about and all the problems that traders face, and majorly lack of framework
True.
or a application or a platform that can help in end-to-end navigation for intraday trading.
Got it. So this is a very good news for our viewers that the trial is free, of course. I mean, after the free trial, you can subscribe to the Intra Edge. Now coming back to the basic question, Lakshit, that ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग दोनों बिल्कुल अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन जो लोग अक्सर दोनों को मिला देते हैं, इस क्वेश्चन के जरिए हम ये समझना चाहते हैं बेसिकली कि क्या इंट्रा एज सिर्फ ट्रेडर्स के लिए बना हुआ है या इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए भी कुछ है। और लक्षित क्या सजेस्ट करते हैं कि अगर कोई नया इन्वेस्टर है तो उसको अपना पोर्टफोलियो कैसे बनाना चाहिए? इफ यू कैन टेल अस दैट, can you also tell us that the users how to invest through Intra Edge basically?
Okay, so Intra Edge is specific to intraday trading. Okay, so all the things that you require for doing intraday trading, from what is the stock I should buy or sell, what is the risk management framework I should follow, and how order execution and how the application cycle will run, how your journey will be there. So Intra Edge is a solution for all of that, and specific to intraday trading. So if you want to do intraday trading and be consistent and be disciplined about it, then Intra Edge is something that solves that problem.
Got it.
Okay, and on the question that trading and investing, so Intra Edge is specific to intraday trading, but yeah, obviously trading and investing are very different mindsets. In trading, you have to be, it's time constraint related. Okay, investing is more of the time variable. Patience has to be there, and time variable is flexible, but in trading your time variable is not flexible, and that's the biggest reason that I have been keeping on talking about a framework that
True.
you need to set a expectation from your trading strategy, that let's say I put in 1000 rupees and I will hold this trade for next 5 days, and I can lose a maximum of 2%. Okay, so I'll lose maximum of 20 rupees over my 1000. Okay, so then I need to place a stop loss, and on third day, let's say if that stop loss is hit, I need to exit. I can't be emotional about it.
True. Very, very true.
And investing, to how to start creating your portfolio. First question to ask is what kind of risk you are willing to take for that. Okay, so there are various types of stocks, large cap, mid cap, small caps in the market. So you need to understand that what kind of risk. I would say definitely go to your investment advisor. and ask them that what kind of risk, develop your risk profile, understand your risk profile first, that what kind of risk I am willing to take and on what kind of capital. So if I want to take, let's say, I want to take less risk, very less risk, then I need to make my portfolio as per as I'll go to, maybe I'll only go to large caps. But if I am okay to take risk, then maybe I consider mid cap, small cap funds.
Got it. So I mean this was really helpful for the viewers. तो फ्रेंड्स आज के सेशन में हमने एक बात तो क्लियर कर ली कि ट्रेडिंग सिर्फ लक का खेल नहीं है, बल्कि एक सॉलिड प्रोसेस है। डिसिप्लिन और डेटा ड्रिवन अप्रोच की ज़रूरत होती है। इंट्राडे जैसे टूल्स जो लक्षित जी ने बनाए हुए हैं, इसी गैप को ब्रिज करने के लिए डिज़ाइन किए गए हैं बेसिकली, ताकि आप हर ट्रेड में कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ एंटर कर सकें। लक्षित, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आपने समय दिया और इतने सिंपल और रिलेटेबल तरीके से बेसिकली हर जो सवाल आस्क मी एनीथिंग में हमने लिए थे उसका जवाब दिया आपने। सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप इंट्रा एज को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं, ट्रायल फ्री है। यू कैन लॉग इन टू 5paisa वेबसाइट, गो टू आइडिया सेक्शन, ट्राई इंट्रा एज, अपने फीडबैक्स समझते हैं। तब तक के लिए फ्रेंड्स, सेफ ट्रेडिंग, इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन लें और 5paisa के साथ जुड़े रहिए, जहां सीखना भी होता है और आप अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट और ट्रेडिंग जर्नी को भी कंटिन्यू रख सकते हैं। थैंक्स अ लॉट लक्षित, थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम, थैंक यू व्यूअर्स फॉर वॉचिंग अस। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.